What's going on, guys? It's Blake back with another video, and today I'm going to be showcasing my new, updated, and kind of condensed sneaker collection. It's still pretty fire, but I have condensed it recently just because I have a new setup in my room, which if you guys want to go specifically check out, you guys can go to the video on the screen after this video. Basically, this is my new setup. I have a lot of new shoes that you guys haven't seen, but I did cut a lot out. I'm also moving out of the house soon because I got into Chapman Film School. Super happy about that, so I'll be going to college this fall. Anyways, we're gonna start off with the Yeezys, then Air Forces, Jordan 1s, etc. If you guys didn't know, I do have a reselling Instagram page, bookbsneak shop. I do sell a good amount of stuff on there, and I'm always dropping these Hypebeast mystery boxes that are curated by me personally, and I sell them to you, and a lot of the times they're profitable. So go follow my page to be updated. It's really important because I sell a ton of stuff on there all the time. So to get started, got the Cinder 350s right here. This was a recently released V2. I thought this was such a great release. Alright guys, before we get right back into this video, I wanted to let you guys know how you guys are gonna cop the biggest and best Supreme items from Supreme drops this season. Supreme did just release a lookbook with a bunch of crazy items. I'll have pictures on the screen, like this arcade game, decks, a cross box logo, which is insane. All these items are gonna be super hard to get, and if you guys know me, I only use one bot when it comes to copying and securing all your Supreme needs for retail. Basically, CopBot has been around for a bit, but they recently spent a year working on their newest and latest bot. It's called CopBot Desktop. Basically, CopBot is doing a very extremely limited drop of this new bot on September 8th at 2 o'clock Pacific time. Now let me explain to you guys why you're gonna need to try to secure this bot. Basically, CopBot Desktop is your best chance if you're wanting to get into reselling or looking to make some extra money on the side. Let me explain some of the features of this new bot. There's two checkout modes. This is really important. CopBot has implemented two modes for their new desktop bot, request and hybrid mode. Request mode goes to the back end of Supreme, meaning if the site ever crashes, you'll still get through and check out. And hybrid goes through the front end. So if Supreme ever made an update for their security system, you're still gonna have success. Another one of my favorite features is called ticket bypass. Now a lot of these Supreme bots that are around don't work because they can't get through like the CAPTCHA, or the CAPTCHA, however you say it, and the security page, which they usually have pop up when you're trying to check out. But with CopBot, they successfully found a way for the bot to bypass and surpass the security that pops up, so you guys never have to worry about that with this certain bot. And of course, there's 24/7 support, setup guidelines, and unlimited tasks. So it's really easy. You just download it as a little plugin on your browser. So basically, I'm just letting you guys know that you should go cop the bot. The link will be in my description. It's not gonna last long because again, they're dropping a very limited amount. And so I know a lot of other people do have the older version of CopBot, but when you do get this new one, you're gonna be an extra step ahead of everybody else that doesn't have this one yet. So yeah, make sure you guys stay tuned for when it drops on September 8th. Make sure you guys act fast, and the link will be in my description as well as on their Instagram at CopBot, because anybody that doesn't want to spend $300-400 or can't afford the all black V2s, which are really expensive, this is a great alternative. Which you guys are probably going to be like, oh, well, you have a black pair, which I'll get into a little later. I'll explain. These are like under $300. I wear these a lot for working out. I think they're great. Next shoe, cream V2s. I've had these for a minute. Everybody's got to have them. Can't really talk too much about those. Red stripe V2s, probably one of the most expensive and rare 350 V2s. They've held their value and they've went up a lot. Marsh V2s. These are pretty interesting. I really like them. I like a lot of the new colorways because they're so unique and they're not like the basic black and white and grays. This is pretty cool, and it has a clear bottom too. Glow 350 V2s, again, one of the more expensive V2s. They've held their value. Again, this colorway is pretty crazy. But I wore these in the grass at a camp, and the whole sole turned like piss yellow. So my most recently acquired V2 are these static 350s. I got these from a friend for super cheap. They go for around $900. I got them for under $400, which is the only reason why I picked these up. But other than that, I would not spend what these are worth on these. I got these from a friend who had an extra pair, and he was like, here, take them, I'll dump them to you. So I took them. I think they're really cool, and they're really unique. but they're too expensive for what they go for. This is a pair of creams that I drew on. It's kind of interesting. And then the only 350s I have left are the best 350s. The tans and the moon rocks are Pirate Blacks, Turtle Doves. The best ones for sure. And then a pair of 750s. I actually love wearing these 750s with these pants. The green with like the gray. And I got two of those, of course. One for me, one for my dad. Right here I have a pair of Christian Dior B23s. This is actually another pair that I just acquired. Probably put these for sale on my Instagram if you guys want to go check it out, because I have a couple other pairs down there. I don't need two. Alright, Air Forces. Air Force Ones are my favorite sneakers at the moment. I have a lot of Off-White, as well as a lot of other limited collaborations with Nike and such. Just run through these really quick. Got the Volts. This size is signed by Virgil, so I'm probably not gonna wear these ever again. I'm gonna get another pair. These black ones do not fit me. I don't know why, but they're a little small. Size 9.5, 10. They're just too tight. So these I will be posting for sale. MCA, Off-White Air Force Ones. Recently acquired MoMA Off-White Air Force Ones. This is a heavy hitter for sure. Got them lightly used for a little under $3,000. And what a shoe. If you know, you know. Both of the ACW colorways from a collaboration. Such a clean collab. Really cool design. Another recently purchased pickup, the Clot Air Force Ones in the black colorway. I don't really like the blue, and I don't really like the white, I think. And then custom pair of V-Lone Air Force Ones. Or a V-Lone custom. I don't think they're the real ones, but they look pretty damn close, so I copped them off Grailed for a couple $100. And then you guys have seen these, but my Cactus Plant Air Force Ones, I had like 4 or 5 of them. I sold a couple because they went up in price. They're worth like $1,000 each now, so I dumped a couple of them. We'll continue on with my other Air Forces. I have a couple pretty special ones. These are a pair of custom Travis Scott Sail Air Force Ones, basically just dipped and dyed. Turned out really dope. You know, it'd be so cool on these, like a black dyed pair. I think that'd be really cool. I actually have another pair, original pair coming in, of like the Sails, so I may do that. Other Travis Scott Air Force Ones, I think these are okay. I think they're kind of ugly, to be honest. And then I do have 2 pairs of the Skeleton Air Force Ones, a Beat pair, and then a brand new pair, because these are so clean. What a shoe. They went up in price too. And CDG Air Force Ones, these go for a lot. These go for about a rack. I need another pair because these are beat. I really like them. Snakeskin Air Force Ones, these are very low key, but another dope shoe. And then mid Air Force Ones, blank pair. Deadstock Rockefeller Air Force Ones. I need another pair of these. They went up in price again. Just holding on to those because they look really nice, brand new. And then another pair of Strange Love Dunks, basically like tried on. They go for $2,000 because this is a special box pair. These came with like that big box, which is over there. And then a pair of Travis Scott Jordan 4s at the bottom, which you guys have seen, most people have. Babe Studs. I really like Babe Studs, they're really unique. Got this like really bright colored one. And then the Ghostbusters collab. These are really rare too. I have yet to wear these. Really, really cool shoe. I love the red on that. The padded, it's really nice. A couple other Babe Studs, as you guys can see. And then a pair of Unions. I sold my blue pair for like $1,200 because I don't really like the blue ones. These are the best ones. And then a couple other random Jordan 1s, top 3s, Shattereds, Travis's. These Lance Mountain Lows, they look really, really fire. They like distress, so that's why I got those. And then obviously the 3 Off-White Jordan 1s, the Chicagos, the Euros, and the UNCs at the bottom. I got all 3 of them, obviously. And then Off-White Vapor Max. These are one of my favorite Off-Whites from the top 10 collection. Great workout shoe, great chill shoe, shorts during the summer. Can't go wrong with that combo. And then obviously both the Off-White Converse. I love Converse. I'm a tall, skinny dude, and that's what Converse look the best on. And then I got both of these Fear Gods right here. This is the original pair. I like these the best out of every one of them that's released. But I couldn't pass up on this black pair that just dropped. These are so fire. I'm gonna just beat these and they're gonna look so dope. Because how do you like really beat an all black pair? Like like it won't look beat, you know? And then I got a couple other Fear Gods, and then 2 more pairs of Dior's. So I need to sell that other pair to one of you guys. And then if anybody has a gray pair of these Kaws in a size 10 or 10 and a half, please sell them to me on my page. I sold my other pair just because I got a good offer for it. And I was like, you know what? Take them. I didn't really care about them that much, but this black pair is pretty fire. Not gonna lie, a lot of people like this black pair. Then 2 Fear God Converse, a couple other Converse. These are really cool. These are the Y3s. Great workout shoe, great chill vibe, summer shoe as well. It's like all boost up and around. And then an assortment of NMDs, as you guys can see, right? So, yeah. Now I'm very serious about my Vans collection. I love Vans. Vans go with everything. And I have all the Fear God Vans. I even have these right here. These are worn like once. These original ones. I've had a few pairs of those, but I sold them all because they go for so much. I'd rather have cash. Cash is king. All the Fear God lows, 2 Supreme Vans, the checkered ones when they had that collab. These are really rare, they go for a lot. And then a couple other Van collaborations like Undercover and stuff. And then as you go on this side right here, a couple other really rare Vans, but these are really rare too. Mind Seekers, these go for like $600-700 bucks. They're Complex Con exclusive. And then obviously a bunch of Revenge Storms. Revenge Storms are really dope. I don't know why, but I drew on this pair. It's alright though, it's cool. And then a couple other Vans, just general generic Vans. And then on the last row to finish it off, I have my few favorite basketball shoes. There's one at the bottom, which didn't make the top over there, but the Nerf Kd Fours. These are crazy, crazy basketball shoe. If I ever play at events or anything, I'll be rocking these for sure. Kevin Durant's my favorite player too. And then I obviously have another really rare KD shoe. What the Kd Fours. These are bananas. They're crazy. They go for like $1,000. Older release. And then I got like the Kyrie Patrick Stars, a couple custom LeBron IDs, and then a few sandals and slides and Air Forces to finish it off. So I really appreciate you guys watching another video. If you guys aren't subscribed yet, please subscribe. Also drop a like. With all that being said, it's been a pleasure filming another video for you guys. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. We're out of here. Peace.